So I am dehydrating some ginger here. They actually said leave it for 2 hours. I'm leaving it for an hour to see what it's going to go because I don't really want to leave it for 2 hours, right? So I want to put some ginger in my seasoning and use it normally to season other things. And yeah, let's see. This is how it looks. It smells really good and it's very hard. So this is it here. It's hard, as I said before. I just kind of crumble it up with my fingers. And I really did this so that it could last longer. And I'm just going to put it in a bottle in these pieces, and I'll use it like to just put it in food, put it in while I'm cooking, put it in seasoning, ground up seasoning. Yeah. Don't mind that it's looking like why it's not focusing is beyond me, but whatever. Yeah. So I did dried ginger for 1 hour, 105 degrees in the air fryer, and obviously it would work the same in the oven.